Good morning, everyone. Today you will see how to make a presentation in PowerPoint, how to use the various formatting effects like your background, how to use the colors. Okay, you will see the various formatting effects that you have to follow when you are making a presentation. So, let us start. Watch each and every steps carefully. Okay, let's start. First of all, the topic is pollution. Okay, then type the title pollution and then format the background by right clicking, choose a color. You can choose any color, any font color, any font color. Okay, so that is your first slide. You can adjust the size and the background. Okay, let's move to the next slide. New slide option from the home tab, and then what is pollution, then adjust the font color, the font size. Okay, now we will type what is pollution. So we will give a description for the pollution. We can make these points bulleted points. Okay, so that's about the pollution. Now adjust the size, the font color, everything. Apply the formatting like this. Okay, then the size. Yes, the second slide is ready, and then let us move to the third slide, new slide option. Okay, then we will choose a background. So that is a background. The types of pollution, font color, font size, adjust it to the desired position, and then type of pollution, the various types of pollution. It is not visible, so we have to change the font color. So these are the bulleted types of pollution. Okay, so these are the pollution type. Adjust them using the bullets option. So these are the types of pollution. Now we will discuss each and every type of pollution in the next slides. Here we will insert the pictures, adjust the size, resize the picture. We can choose a picture style also. Next slide, air pollution. We will define the air pollution in this slide. Font color, font size, we can apply the background also. Okay, format background, right click, format background, and then choose a picture and then insert, and then you can change the various options that are given here. You can change the transparency also. You can see the background picture is dim now. Okay, you can adjust the text. Font color, background color, transparency. Yes, we can insert a graph also. Okay, we can insert the graph from the Excel also. The graph has been inserted in your slide. Now rename the graph, change the name, that is about sources of the pollution. Yes, this is the graph. We can format the graph. Let us move to the next slide. The next pollution is water pollution. Resize it, apply the formatting, center align, and then some lines about water pollution. We need to change the font style, format background, change the background of the picture by using a picture in the background, adjust the transparency, font color, and then background. Yes, so that is about water pollution. We can adjust the size of the text also. Then the next slide, insert a picture in the background. We can adjust it in the background. We can crop it. There is a crop tool in the format tab. Insert more pictures. That is the layout effects of the picture. Adjust them. So these are the sources of the water pollution. We can flip the picture also. Okay, the direction has been changed. New slide, thermal pollution. And then font color, adjust the size, center alignment, and then we have to insert a picture or chart. That is a chart. We'll insert the chart from the Excel. That is the data from the Excel. We need to rename the data. Okay, so that is about the thermal pollution, temperature, and the pollutants. Category 1 changed now. Okay, that is the years. Okay, these are the years. Now you can see the change in the graph also. As we change the Excel sheet, the change appears in the chart also. So that is about the thermal pollution. Okay, we can format the graph also by changing the color of the graph, resizing it, changing the font size. Okay, you can see the various options that we are using here. Any color we can choose. We can adjust the size, color. So that is the way to format a simple presentation. Okay, we can also insert the background in the chart. We can adjust the transparency also. That is a very interesting tool, transparency. So that is your simple